In this video, we will learn how to design a pillow phone holder with a charging slot and wire path in SelfCAD. We shall be following the interactive tutorial. To begin, go to SelfCAD. From the home page, click Interactive Tutorials. Search for pillow. Click Open Tutorial in web version. Wait a few seconds for it to fully load. We will start by loading the pillow model. Click File, then Import. Select Load Object from Tutorial, and the pillow will appear in the workspace. We are importing instead of redesigning the pillow itself, as we only want to modify it by adding slots. We are now going to create charging slot. To achieve this, we will create a rectangular shape that will later be subtracted to form the charging slot. Go to the 3D Shape section and select Cube. Set the width to 85. Height to 4. Depth to 10. Position Y to 26.7. Position Z to 19.5 and rotation X minus 20. Finalize it. Activate Cube again. Set width 22. Height 36. Depth to 8. Position Z to 25. Rotation X to minus 25. Finalize the cube. This will create the vertical cavity where the bottom part of the phone sits. The next step is to create a section that allows the cable to pass through the pillow. Activate Cube again. Set width 6. Height to 5. Depth 70. Position Y9. And position Z minus 14. This long, thin cube will form the hidden cable channel once we subtract it. The next step is to modify the geometry to achieve a smoother finish. We shall start by isolating the models to allow you to see only the selected objects and their edges clearly. Go to View, then Isolate. Click Solid plus Wireframe. Next, we will modify the edges for better fit. Activate Cube Selection. Set back to 66 and front 69. Then finalize. Activate Edge Selection. Select highlighted edges. Activate Move Tool, then Y to 15.5. Deselect the regions. Move the selected regions by setting Y to 17.5. We have now adjusted the internal geometry to improve the smoothness and slope of the slot. Next, we will modify one end with extrusion. Activate Polygon Selection. Select the end faces. Go to Modify, then Extrusion, and finalize. Extrusion extends the geometry outward, refining how the cable exits the pillow. Now we will convert all those cubes into actual holes. Go to View, then Show All. Set rendering to solid. Go to Edit, then select All. Activate Boolean Tool. Then activate Difference. Select Mesh 9, Mesh 17, and Mesh 25, then finalize. As you can see, the charging slot and wire path has been created. The next step is to color the model. To do this, click the color palette, then click Red. Congratulations, your 3D model is now ready. Slice it using SelfCAD Slicer by clicking 3D Print. Generate the G-code file by clicking Slice. Save and start 3D printing. After 3D printing, remove it and place your phone. Check out the link to the interactive tutorial in the comments section to design your own.